Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Metabank Rush Card. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into Metabank Rush Card, go click open any web browser first. In the search box, type in Metabank Rush Card Login and search. From the search results displayed, click on this link right here that says Manage your Rush Card account login. You can also type in account.rushcard.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login page of Metabank Rush Card. Now, enter your username in the text box at the top. Move on to the next field and type in your password correct. Make sure to double check your password by clicking on this eye icon to confirm that you have typed in the correct password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the register button at the right corner under register for access. In order to activate a new card, click on activate right below, follow the instructions, and you'll be able to activate a new card for your Rush Card. Now, in case you've forgotten your username and your password, you can click on Forgot Username or Password link right below the login box and follow the instructions to either look for your user ID or to reset your password. Finally, click on the login button and you'll be able to log into Metabank Rush Card online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.